Alright, let's beam him.
Hit.
Dead.
Both of them?
Took care of them niggas. Yeah, we took care of them niggas like fucking hitmen.
Hey, let me speak. I'm gonna speak Russian.
Dude, what are we gonna do?
Bolty. Oh, hey, dude, Andy had a fucking M39.
Bro. Oh my god.
Oh, he had 2
bro.
ladders.
Huh?
Let's do you guys run back real quick. Or
Yeah.
actually, let's stash it. Can we create a stash?
Nah, I don't have any cloth.
Fuck.
They were juiced. Wait, I can carry those ladders actually.
Yeah,
Dude, whoever headshot him with the L9, bro, you just dropped that nigga. Like he just dropped dead.
That was what's his face, Christian.
Can you carry any of that, bro?
Dude, I am full. I got a jackhammer. I got heels. I got boots, leather. Should I toss out the leather gloves and pants?
I get this metal somehow.
Fuck that 5 scrap.
Yeah, fuck that shit. Get the metal. that was crazy, bro. We actually wiped those niggas and like fucking. Yeah, they didn't even get a bullet to shoot. Like they didn't shoot a single
Let's
bullet.
go depot.
There's still like 2K metal right there, but.
Fuck it. Actually, here, hold up.
Nah, let's just go. They're coming back anyway, so maybe they'll get the rest of that shit and just fuck off. Nah, he's naked. He's mad far over there. He's like by the dome. I think Brown does.
I got it.
Got the MP5 and shit, right?
And the bolty.
And the bolties. Yeah.
Fuck this L9. I'm just gonna use the M3.
Just throw this shit in the depot box, right? That's outside. Or like just right in the front.
Yeah, we'll do it in the front room.
We got 2 depot boxes in the front. So like right when you walk in, they're next to the oil refinery. Yeah, that was funny. We really wiped those niggas. Someone should have clipped that shit, bro. How quick we wiped them niggas.